Hey Jeff, this is my contest entry for your rare Zippo giveaway. Sorry, I'm just kinda getting used to the gas mask. Gonna be part of my Halloween costume. Figured for a Halloween video, why not make it Halloween themed, you know? So, the videos are Zippo Tricks number 6, Flesh Torch, Cooking, Shrimp Scampi, Primitive Fire, Flint and Steel, Glock Adjustable Trigger, Drop Safety Concern, Part 1 of 2, and Knife Review, Benchmade Model 42 Balisong BM42. Had a lot of fun participating in the contest. Hope I have a good chance of winning. That Zippo looks mad awesome, man. I mean, to be honest, I probably use it every day. And show off to my mom, who's into all the Halloween stuff. So have a good day, Jeff. Good luck finding a winner.